Well, pronounce the word. Actually, when you adopt the complete shape and voice of a word, to speak it according to its syllable. Syllable is called the pronunciation. For example, if the word is easy word, let me take first easy word. Table. Second word is inauguration. Third word is exaggerate. And fourth word is involvement. And fifth word is impossible. Now these five words, how to pronounce them, it means how to speak them. Speak according to the syllables, the parts, the natural sound they come out of your mouth, so that the connectivity of the word and the real shape must not be disturbed. For example, the word is table. Table. Is a common. It's a pronunciation. Table. Actually, table. These two are the past. In first syllable, the word came tie. Then your lips join one. Now pronunciation is okay. If a person says it's a table, you understand? Pronunciation is wrong. For example, if you say the word is good, pronunciation is wrong. Good. Word is good. Good. Now people pronounce in a different way. It's good. It means that we pronounce and we adopt the accent of those people. Pronunciation, sir, is an international rule. And that we call it as international received pronunciation. Received pronunciation. I call it as IRP. This cannot be changed. It's a standard and international standard. English people from London, this IRP started, that was delivered and the word adopted. But accent may be different in different countries. Even accent may be different from person to person. But if your pronunciation is good, accent almost resembles. As I give you example, the word is see. There American and British accents are there. I want to give one example from those. Same word, bath or bath. Listen the difference. American accent may be a bath, only bathroom, bathing. But British may call it as a bathtub. So this one is bathtub, like bathtub, but this bathroom. When they speak the TH sound, this sound is German. But when British speak, they speak like this is the sound. Here the sound TH is the. But in America they call it as a the bathroom. Bathroom is an American accent, sir. Spelling is same. But bathroom is a British accent, but spelling is same. So, but in both cases, word bath or bath, their pronunciation is correct. Now they accent it differently. So I may say that your IRP, your pronunciation, Like now, the word is inauguration. Okay, now a person reads something different like inauguration or something. It means that you cannot know with the pronunciation. If you call the word as one example, I have already put in the class. I repeat for you. University. If I say university, spellings are changed. But if I say it's university, yes. So your pronunciation actually disturbs the spellings as well. So pronounce the word according to the syllable. And syllable, sir, is a natural flow of sound that comes from your mouth. City. University. Is it? So table. Chair. So chair is an accent, but we call it as a chair. अब कोई बंदा इसको chair बोलते हैं, chair, लेकिन अगर आप ना chair, तो chair itself is a wrong pronunciation. Now the accent of chair, then you can change it. So this is the difference between it. But inshallah, I've been trying.